You get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so. I know you in a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so. What's up, Daynators? It's your girl, Day. What it is? What's up? We got your girl in the cut. So, as you can see from the title in the video, and why my hair is looking like this, because we're finna do a good old hair tutorial video on how to get them two curly buns popping. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? You should feel me. Alrighty, so let's get right into the video. Alright, so we're gonna start off today by not freshly washed hair, but just like wet hair. And this is what my hair looks like wet without any product. So we're just going to start off by parting your hair in half straight down. So I always start in between my eyebrows and I go back. Mind you, I'm not the best parter, so it's going to take me some time, and my part will probably not be 100% straight, but it's going to be straight enough for me because, like I said, I'm not really good at it. So just part to the best of your ability. Start from the middle of your eyebrows all the way down to the back of your head. You gotta stay up. So from this point, I'm going ahead and I'm going to tie up the section of my hair that I'm not going to start with. And it's usually always this side, just because that side is easier for me because it's the shortest side of my hair. This step in the process, I'm just using a regular denim brush to make sure I get all the tangles and everything out and all the knots in my hair, since all I did was get it wet and without putting product in it. The next thing I'm going to do is grab my favorite conditioner, which would have to be this. I'm not sponsored by them, so just throw it out there. A little goes a long way, and I like the way it makes my curl pattern look. And what I'm going to do from there is just rake it through my hair, make sure I get on every strand. I like to gather all my hair and like twist it kind of to make sure it's in every strand, and then on the ends I like to flare it out. From here we're going to add our gel, and I make sure when I add the gel, I just like to dip my brush into the gel so I can get like the clear coverage instead of putting it all over my hands and doing it like that. I spread it around my edges and I brush up. I make sure I brush really hard and use a hard brush so I don't get like any waves in my hair. As you see, I do it to the back, in the middle of my head, and the sides, and obviously my part was not straight. I add some more conditioner just to the ends of my curl that I know that are going to be in the buns, so that my hair can still look curly and not so poofy and frizzy. And like I said, I really like this with my curl pattern. So now we are going to start the actual bun. So I just use a ponytail holder, and I like to gather all my hair and place it to where I want it to be. And as a regular ponytail holder, I wrap it around, let go, wrap it around again, wrap it around again, and then I wrap it around one more time. The last time, I don't fully pull my hair through, and I get it to look like this, and I pull it and I shape it until it gets into the shape of the bun like I want it. So now we're just going to repeat that same process onto the other side of the bun. Now it's time to slay them edges, and you know that process. So what I'm doing is, with the toothbrush, I'm just going to lay my edges down how I want to with my regular gel, and then I am going to go to the Gorilla Knot once I have the placement with the regular gel, and put the Gorilla Knot on top of it. And Gorilla Knot holds really well. As you see here, it's really like a holding gel. So a little goes a long way, so I only ever use like the tip of my toothbrush, and I just lay it on top of the way I want my edges shaped. I always go for like the basic edges. And we're just going to repeat the same process to the other side.
This step is completely optional. I like to pull out pieces of my hair and twirl them with my fingers to get like the Jew, my dad calls them Jew curls on the side of my head. So the next thing we're going to do is pull out that scarf, girl, and make sure you lay down them baby hairs and your edges and all your ends of your hair is nice and put. So I like to tie mine really tight, and I just want to make sure I secure everything and hold it down. Now it's time to take off that scarf and reveal the truth. Ooh, look at that. Go ahead and put yourself, girl, with them edges laid down and them cute little buns. You're cute. You're cute, girl. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.